Wamumorigi na matentu. Wamumorigi muna tambaraka wange. Wamamoi na vanua. Suka na rangira mata na momona tubitongo. Wege muna minista ningkito nilandu vanua. Eba bina na tambaraka nibuli. Nila ni muru sirame. Me muru bulangin to kay nasingan ni kuwa. Eliari ginatambo ang kitumbere wali mata. Sanya ko ginagemo yung kalubi baka momo. Sala inuita gini muna tambagi ang kamu na bakalang tatagin niya. Sa adelari ginagay tugu-tugu. Karabu zambe. Iyabu iyandrau. Inamatentu. Mumatari gigatu.
It is a great privilege and an honor to be here among you all this morning, ready to witness yet another season of Lautoka Primary School's rugby. As you are aware, the world has changed and the world continues to change. And it is human beings that hold within their mortal hands the power to drive this change. Our gathering here this morning has great significance as we build on efforts of excellence and triumph of the collective sport and recreation community to further strengthen our sporting systems and structures to function for the better. Ladies and gentlemen and students, this platform presents us with a golden opportunity to know each other, to motivate one another, and build from that foundation of a united sporting nation and people. Our success in the field of play plays an important role to take Fiji to higher heights in its journey towards social cohesion, nation building, patriotism. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today we gather here with excitement and anticipation for the primary school rugby tournament. It is a day filled with enthusiasm, camaraderie, and the thrill of competition. As we look around, we see teams from different schools, each one ready to showcase their skills and determination on the rugby field. Rugby is not just a game. It is a sport that teaches us valuable lessons both on and off the field. It instills in us the values of teamwork, sportsmanship, and resilience. It teaches us to work together towards a common goal, to support and encourage one another, and so to celebrate each other's success. To all the teams competing today and in the round-robin competitions, I want to express my admiration and respect. You have trained hard, honed your skills, and overcome challenges to be here. Remember, girls and boys, that success is not solely measured by the scoreline, but by the effort you put in, the lessons you learn, and the friendships you make, you forge along the way. As you step onto the field, remember to embrace the true spirit of rugby. Respect your opponents. Fair play. And uphold the values that make this sport great. Rugby is not just about winning, it is about giving your best, pushing your limits, and embodying the true essence of sportsmanship. To the coaches, we extend our gratitude for your dedication and guidance. You have not only taught the skills of the game, but also imparted important values and life lessons. Your commitment to the development and well-being of these young students is truly commendable. Let us also acknowledge the parents and supporters who have come here today. Your presence and encouragement mean the world these young athletes need. Your cheers, applause, and words of encouragement have the power to inspire and uplift their spirits. Your support is invaluable, and we thank you for being here this morning. As we embark on this tournament, let us remember that winning is not the sole objective. More importantly, let us cherish the moments of shared joy, the bonds that are formed, and the memories that will last a lifetime. Each match, each try, and each tackle is an opportunity to learn, grow, and build character. To all the participants, I say this: play with passion, play with heart, play with a spirit that represents the very best of rugby. Win or lose, hold your heads high, knowing that you have given your all and become better individuals through this experience. May the tournament be a celebration of teamwork, sportsmanship, and a testament to the power of the human spirit. Let us enjoy the matches, support one another, and create an atmosphere of unity and respect. With these few words, I have much pleasure in declaring the tournament open. Nawalevu, God bless Fiji.
Let's put our hands together. Wonderful. There you had it.